Many people believe that fruit juice is a healthy choice.
After all, it is made from fruit, which we all know is a healthy option.
The downside to fruit juice is the concentration of fruit. If you have ever tried making juice at home, you will realize just how many apples or oranges are required to make a small glass of juice. You would not normally eat 5 oranges, but this is how many you may be consuming in your glass. Fruit, although relatively low in calories when compared with many other foods, is high in sugar, and this sugar is concentrated in juice form. Therefore, a glass of juice often contains the sugar content of 4 or 5 pieces of fruit, and some juices may contain more sugar than a cola soda drink. A 12 ounces serve of grape juice, for example, contains the equivalent of 12 tablespoons of sugar and around 200 calories, more than the same size cola, which has just over 10 tablespoons of sugar and around 150 calories. This high amount of sugar and calorie content obviously adds up if you are drinking large amounts of juice on a regular basis, and may contribute to weight gain due to excess energy intake. Aside from the high sugar in juice, there is also a chance that they do not contain all the nutritional value of the fruit from which they are made, particularly if they are commercially produced. Often the skin of the fruit is not included, and pulp may be removed from some juices, meaning a loss of fiber when compared with the fruit itself. For the healthiest juice option, choose those which still have pulp, or make them at home with the whole fruit where possible. High sugar drinks including juice can also cause damage to the teeth if drunk in excess, particularly children. Avoid sugar and processed juice. Keep smiling. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and get new video notifications.